Can you guess Spider-Man's favorite hamburger? What kind of bun would he like? Whole wheat? Okay, that gives him the strength he has. Okay, so I'll go ahead and just spell whole wheat. W-H-O-L-E W-H-E-A-T, whole wheat. Okay, what kind of meat do you think you would like inside his hamburger? So you want beef, chicken, pork, turkey, lamb, just beef? Okay. B-E-E-F, what kind of toppings would he like? Cheese for sure. Okay. C-H-E-E-S-E. What else? Tomatoes? T-O-M-A-T-O-E-S. And what else? Pickles? Okay. P-I-C-K-L-E-S. Now, what about condiments? Do you like mayo? Okay. M-A-Y-O. What else would he like? Relish? Okay, that's a favorite. R-E-L-I-S-H. And what else? Barbecue sauce. Ooh, wow. Okay. B-B-Q-S. Well, it looks like he'll get just a little bit of barbecue sauce, but probably enough to help the flavor along a bit. Okay. And so from here, what we're going to do, remind me, what was the bun? We're sandwiching all of this between bun. What was the bun you chose for Spider-Man? Whole wheat. That's right. W-H-O-L-E W-H-E-A-T. Whole wheat. Okay. Now, how would we know whether you've successfully guessed Spider-Man's favorite hamburger? Well, I don't know. Let's see. Well, I guess one thing we could check to see is, where have all of your decisions brought us? Oh, look at that. Look at little Spidey there. We found Spider-Man. Now, of course, there could be a whole bunch of Spider-Men in here. Let's see. I'm sure there's, I don't know, 4 or 5 of them. I don't see. There's none yet. Oh, boy. Are you telling me that's the only Spider-Man in the whole blasted deck? And you just happen to choose a kind of bun, meat, toppings, and condiments that ended up with Spider-Man rising to the top? How in the world did you do that? You must be a true Marvel hero aficionado. Okay, so that is the performance for Spider-Man. Okay, so next we're going to see if you can successfully put together Iron Man's favorite hamburger. Okay, so what kind of bun do you think he would like? A Kaiser roll? You're kidding me. Okay, Kaiser. See, how do we spell that? K-A-I-S-E-R R-O-L-L. Kaiser roll. Boy, that's a weird one, but Iron Man's a little bit odd. What kind of meat would he like? Pork? Okay. P-O-R-K. What kinds of toppings would he like? Would he like cheese? Oh, he's lactose intolerant. Okay, that's a no. What about onions? Yeah, onions. Okay. O-N-I-O-N-S. Okay, so now you suggest toppings. I don't want you to think that I'm leading you along here. You want bacon? Okay. B-A-C-O-N. What else? Mushrooms. Yee. Okay. M-U-S-H-R-O-O-M-S. Okay. Do you want any lettuce? No. What kind of condiments? Want mustard? Going off the M-U-S-T-A-R-D. And what else? Ranch, like ranch dressing. E. Okay. R-A-N-C-H. I think we'll just spell ranch. And what about the last one? Fry sauce. Now, don't you know that that's just ketchup and okay, fry sauce. F-R-Y. Okay, well, we could only spell fry. So maybe he only gets the ketchup portion of the fry sauce. Okay, very good. That sounds like a very delicious hamburger. Now, we don't really know whether it's his favorite or not. Now, what was the bun again? Oh, yeah. You chose that weird one. Kaiser roll. Okay, Kaiser-R-O-L-L. A Kaiser roll. Never even heard of such a thing. Okay, so once again, how would we know whether you've put together Iron Man's favorite hamburger? Well, let's see what card has risen to the top. Oh, there he is. There he is. Iron Man. Now, of course, there might be many Iron Men in here. I'm sure we'll find 4 or 5 of them. Let's just look together here. You keep me intellectually honest here. Okay, I'm sure there's one. No, that's not Iron Man. That's not Iron Man. Nope. Kind of looks like him. It's not looking promising. That's the only Iron Man in the whole deck. So I think you nailed it. You nailed a hero's hamburger perfectly. Well done. Okay, so let's go on to the next one. Okay, so let's see if you can successfully guess the Incredible Hulk's favorite hamburger. Okay, so this is not going to be easy. So what kind of bun do you think he would like of all the different buns that are out there? Pretzel? A pretzel bun? Is that actually a thing? Okay, I'll believe you here. So Pretzel. A pretzel bun. Eee. Okay, so what kind of meat would he like? Oh, he wants multiple meats, huh? Big surprise there. Okay, so he wants beef, B-E-E-F. What else does he want? Pork, P-O-R-K. And what else? Lamb. Oh, wow. L-A-M-B. Okay, now he needs to leave something for the condiments and other toppings. Okay, is that enough meat? Do you feel like that really is what he would put on his hamburger for meats? Okay, now what else would he put as toppings? Oh, pickles. Is that because he's green? Maybe. So P-I-C-K-L-E-S. What else? Avocados. That makes sense as well. They're green also. A-V-O-C-A-D-O. Would he like lettuce? Maybe. I guess that. So you think he would? Okay, well, we'll go with lettuce. L-E-T-T-U-C-E. And you're running out of, you only have a few more cards to spend here for condiments. So what would you like for a condiment? You want relish? Once again, you're going to have him OD on pickles here. R-E-L-I-S-H. Look at that. Perfect. We ran out of cards. Now, that's not going to be a very tasty hamburger, but maybe that's what he likes to eat. He really just likes the meat portion, I guess. Okay, so let's just stack these in the opposite order, which will help mix the cards much more thoroughly, actually. So here we go. And then remind me, what was the bun? Since we're sandwiching the middle of the hamburger between the two sides of the bun. It's a pretzel bun, right? Yeah. So Pretzel. Whoa, quite the hamburger. Now, I personally would not like that, but let's see if the Incredible Hulk would enjoy that. I don't know. I think he might. There he is. And once again, do we have another Incredible Hulk? Which would simply increase the odds that he would come to the top and maybe be evidence that you have not nailed. That's the She-Hulk, right? I think. I don't see the Incredible Hulk here. Nope, there's only one. And you found it. And you came up with a perfect combination of a bun, meat, toppings, and condiments. How did you do that? Okay, so let's go on to the next one. So let's see if you can guess Captain America's favorite kind of hamburger. What kind of bun would he like? What kind of meat? And what kind of condiments? Okay, so kind of use your intuition to make these decisions. And if you're kind of right on the mark, we'll discover that. Okay, so we'll find that out for sure. Okay, so what kind of bun do you think he would like? An English muffin. Really? Well, that's fine. If that's what you believe is secretly his favorite hamburger bun, we'll go with it. So English, English, nope, it's supposed to be doing it over here. Sorry, Muffin. English muffin. Yee. Okay. So what kind of meat do you think he would like? Well, he's just all American, isn't he? So he just wants beef. Okay. That maybe not a surprise there. So BEEF. Okay. Would he like cheese? Oh, yeah. Being all American, he would. CHEESE. What else? Tomatoes? I think so. TOMATOES. What else? Pickles? I think so. PICKLES. And what else would he like? Mushrooms? Oh, not so much. Okay. Lettuce? I think he probably would. LETTUCE. Okay, guess what? You're running out of cards for the condiments. Oh, he's kind of a mayo man, huh? Okay. MAYO. And then what else would he like? Oh, that's interesting. Barbecue sauce. Okay. So BBQ. Okay, barbecue sauce. Okay. So we have the bottom of the bun chosen. We have all of the innards chosen. And so what was what was the bun again that you chose? Oh, yeah, English muffin. I don't think that's going to work out for us. I've never heard of that as a thing for Captain America. So let's find out. So ENGLISH, English, MUFFIN, English muffin. Okay, how did we do? Did you nail Captain America's favorite hamburger? I don't know. Oh, whoa, I think you may have. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, let's see. We probably should just make sure there's not 17 Captain Americas in here. Let's see, I don't see any there. No, that's not Captain America. Kind of looks like his cousin or something. I don't think so. I think you nailed it. You nailed it. You somehow correctly guessed or just intuitively knew the kind of hamburger Captain America prefers. Wow. Great job. Okay, going on to the next one. Okay, so let's see if you can correctly guess Thor's favorite hamburger. So what kind of bun would he like? What kind of meat and toppings and condiments would he actually prefer? Okay, so just kind of give that a moment's thought. So what kind of bun do you think Thor would like? A potato bun? Are you sure? Do they grow potatoes where he's from or something? So a potato bun. That's what you want to go with. Okay. So Potato, potato. Weird. Okay, what kind of meat? Turkey. Oh, okay, maybe. Oh, wild turkey. Oh, okay. I can see him out there chasing wild turkey. Okay, very good. WILDTURKEY, turkey. What else would he like? Bacon. Okay, it's like another meat, I guess. PACON. Mushrooms. Yeah, I could see him harvesting mushrooms for sure. MUSHROOMS. And what else? Egg? Do people put eggs on their hamburgers? You think Thor does? Okay. EGGS. Eggs. I guess it could be eggs of a variety of different birds, I suppose. And what else would Thor like? Chili. Okay. Like chili pepper. No, actually chili. Beans and seasonings. Okay. CHILI. Chili. Okay. And you don't have much left, but what else do you think he would like? Mustard. A little bit of mustard. Not a lot. Okay. So MUSTAR. Okay, we're missing the D. So yeah, we're not putting a full serving of mustard on it. So maybe that will work just fine for his palate. Okay, very good. Okay, and now we just need to finish up with the bun that you chose. And what was the bun again you chose for Thor? Yeah. Oh, that's right. Potato. So POTATO. Potato bun. Okay, well, how would we know whether you've actually guessed correctly Thor's favorite hamburger? Well, let's just see what card has risen to the top. Maybe that will be evidence that you've nailed it. Oh, look at that. Thor has come to the top. Okay. Well, is Thor everywhere in this deck? Because that would make it far less impressive. I'm kind of going through them fast. A lot of Ghost Riders, you probably saw. Doctor Strange. Okay, Thor. No. That's the only Thor in the whole silly deck. Okay, well done. Oh, Marvel aficionado. You nailed all 5 of these. How in the world is that even possible, given all of the choices of different kinds of buns, meat, toppings, and condiments? How in the world did you just happen to choose the right combination of items from each of those categories so that the Marvel hero in question rises to the top? And it's the only Marvel hero of that kind in the whole silly deck. Wow, I think you are a Marvel hero yourself, because I think it would take superpowers to do what you have just done. Okay, so how do all of these work? Okay, it's the same Same principle for all of these, actually. Okay, so what's going on here is we are taking advantage of something that has already been presented on this channel. These are called C reversals. C stands for coating, and it really is just a special case of what's called off-centered overcoating, okay? And so this is where you count out and transfer some number of cards, K, and then here what we're doing is we're technically coding or dealing out all of the cards in the packet once, and then you're going to spell out one more time or coat the K cards again, okay? Now, as presented in an earlier video, if you pair the C reversal with what I call the first shall be last and the last shall be first shuffle, those two together achieve magic. They really, really do in the mind of the spectator. So what we've done here is I have a certain number of cards, and I honestly have not counted these. I don't know how many cards are there. It's not quite a full deck because I had to take out repeat characters, right? There's a few Hulks and so forth. So I pulled those out so that it doesn't look suspicious that there's multiple cards of the one that we just revealed. Okay, so that's not the case. There's only one of each of the ones that we revealed. So what you do here is you count out and transfer a certain number of cards. This was the bun. So we counted out or dealt out the bun at the beginning and at the end. Everything in the middle, which constitutes a F, L squared, F shuffle, took care of the meat, the toppings, and the condiments. Okay, so what's an FL squared shuffle again? So this is where you actually deal out until the spectator says, stop, stop. Now, we dealt out until we spelled out certain words, right? Certain toppings or condiments that you gave me or the spectator would state, okay? Now, it's important that you deal out all of the cards. And then what we do is we stack in reverse order. Okay, so we dealt out from left to right, and now we just stack in opposite order. Well, this ends up being equivalent to a packet reversal. That's all it is. You're reversing the order of all of the cards. Okay, so if you coat any number of cards, that would be for the bun, like whole wheat or something, and then spell out all of the innards of the hamburger, and then spell out the bun again, what it does is it constitutes a packet reversal. That's all it does. So what was on bottom is on top, and what was on top is now on bottom. Okay, so knowing that, you can probably guess where the special card was placed for each of these Marvel heroes that I revealed. Okay, so where are they? They're probably at the top now. So let's look at Thor. Okay, so for the fifth little presentation or routine, I had Thor at the bottom. That's all you have to do. Now, one thing I could have done for all of these is you could do a little riffle shuffle in which you let the left 10 cards fall first. So that would give the impression that the cards are being, sufficiently mixed, which is actually true up to a point. It's just that we're retaining that bottom card at the bottom. Okay, and then from there, you just follow what I did in the presentation. I do want to point out that technically I use split coatings is what I did. And a split coating is where, so for example, if you wanted whole wheat for the bun, you could do W-H-O-L-E, whole, W-H-E-A-T, wheat. And then these are dropped on top. So technically, all of those actions together is called a split coating, but it achieves the same thing as an ordinary coating, but it gives the impression of further randomization of the cards when in fact that's not quite the case. So anyway, that is the secret to that effect. Okay, so I appreciate you watching and hope that you find other ways to actually use the principles that are being used in these 5 routines.